First and foremost, before we get this video started, I want to thank everyone that came out to our 3-year anniversary. I know a lot of you guys couldn't make it because how far away you guys are, but hopefully this gives you guys something to look forward to next year, because we throw this event every year, once a year. In this video, it's gonna be a short video for you guys. Just wanted to share it. Shout out to 978 Productions for making this video. He shot while I was busy, obviously here the whole day for our event. The cars inside are our personal cars from our collection, cars outside. Some of them are ours, and then a lot of people that came to the meet. And again, I want to thank you guys that showed up, everyone that showed love, showed support. I appreciate you guys. So I'm gonna drop this montage that 978 Productions made for us. Great video. It's gonna be a short clip. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me to show you guys some of my cars out of my collection. This is a few of our cars that are in the shop. Hope you guys enjoy it. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank everyone that came out, and if you guys didn't make it out this year, try to come out for the next one. But either way, I appreciate you guys. I'm glad I can share this. Also, just want to take a second out and just thank everyone on the channel for watching, for the support. We grew so much in the past year and a half. It's just insane. Honestly, I couldn't do it without you guys. I appreciate everyone's support, you know, motivation. Hopefully this video gives you guys motivation to finish your cars, man. I couldn't do any of this without you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, tuning in, commenting. Just please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Hope you guys enjoy the montage.